Hello, welcome to Intersoft Solutions tutorial video. This video will show you on how to configure client paging in day and week view of WebScheduler. First, create a new website using Intersoft empty website project template. For your information, WebScheduler in this video is already bound to publication SQL database through IS data source. For further information about how to bind WebScheduler, please check WebScheduler Getting Started video. In order to give a better layout view, the WebScheduler's height and width are set to 100%. And the selected view mode is set to week. In this tutorial, several events have been inserted to WebScheduler. Before we continue, let's synchronize the term. This is an event block that contains events that occurs in the same period of time. The rendering of an event block depends on the start time and duration of each event. Each event block is divided into several columns, called overlapping block. In this event block, there are 9 events rendered in 6 overlapping block. When client paging is enabled, the total overlapping block displayed will be limited, so only events displayed in those overlapping block will be displayed. Back to Visual Studio. Open WebScheduler Properties window and expand View Settings and Week View. Set Enable Client Paging property to True, and set Event Block Size property to 3. Event Block Size property determines the maximum number of overlapping blocks displayed when client paging is enabled. Save and view the result in browser. Note on this week view, only events included in the first 3 overlapping blocks are displayed, and the other events are hidden. A small paging indicator is displayed in the upper right corner of the first cell. When it is clicked, all the events that occurs in the specified event block will be displayed in the detail box. The summary of each event can still be seen in the callout when an event is selected. Back to Visual Studio. Open WebScheduler Properties window and expand View Settings and Day View. Set Enable Client Paging property to True, and set Event Block Size property to 4. Save and view the result in browser. Navigate to Day View. Only events included in the first 4 overlapping blocks are displayed, and the other events are hidden. A small paging indicator is also displayed in the upper right corner of the first cell. When clicked, all events in the event block will be displayed in the detail box. Here we can conclude that different client paging configuration can be specified in the day and week view. Since the cell width in day view is larger than week view, we can set the event block size property to a larger value. Different configuration is needed for events displayed in all-day event area. The rendering of all-day events also depends on the start time and duration of each event. In this view, the all-day events are rendered in 7 rows. When client paging is enabled, we can specify the page size that determines how many rows are allowed in all-day event area. Back to Visual Studio. Open WebScheduler Properties window and expand View Settings and Week View. Set All-Day Event Page Size property to 5. All-Day Event Page Size property determines the maximum number of rows displayed when client paging is enabled. Set the same configuration for Day View. Save and view the result in browser. After client paging is specified, only events included in the first 5 rows will be displayed, and the others are hidden. A paging indicator is also displayed at the right bottom corner of the cell. When it is clicked, all the events will be displayed. Navigate to Day View. Since the same configuration is specified in Day View, only events included in the first 5 rows will be displayed. The editing functionalities when client paging is enabled is the same as the default editing configuration. In this tutorial, all the data editing properties have been enabled. When client paging is enabled and an event is moved to an event block, the event block structure will be adjusted. Note that some events that are displayed previously are now hidden. All events can still be seen in the detail box. In the event block, a new event can also be inserted. When a new event is created, the event block structure will be adjusted as well. The new event can either be displayed or automatically hidden, depends on the event block structure. In this case, since it has exceeded the event block size specified, the new event will be hidden, but it can still be seen in the detail box. With simple settings, you can now easily configure client paging in WebScheduler. Thank you for watching Intersoft Solutions tutorial video. For further information, you can visit our website at www.intersoftpt.com.